Today here in Automation Expo 2026, we are showing all the automation solutions that we can offer to the automation industry. VFD is a part of it. This VFD is IGBT Module-Based VFD, which offers a long-lasting life even in a 55-degree ambient temperature. Today, this version of VFD, which covers an integrated PLC control to cover all the applications which so far needed a PLC of 6 digital inputs to control a forward-reverse function of a VFD. We request you all to come to our booth F-9 and F-10 in hall number 6 here and give us your presence and feedback, which will help us to serve the nation in a better way.